This how to 1 minute will show you how to add email subscription to Wix website. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to add a very attractive email subscription pop-up. First of all, come to this Wix website editor page, and once you're here, click on this add elements icon. And here hover over on interactive, and you will get here light boxes. So come to this light boxes section, and from this list you can pick any email subscription pop-up. So I'm going to selecting this one. Once the pop-up added, click on the settings icon, and now you can change the lightbox name from here and automatically display lightbox on pages. You can select yes, and here you can scroll down to customize how does lightbox close. You can enable X icon, or you can enable close button. And now click on form settings and click on settings. From here you can change the form name, you can change email notification, you can change submissions tell from here, and select the submit message. And here when visitors submit a form, you can select show success message, you can select go to the page or lightbox. So I'm selecting a show success message, and from this field you can change the success message. And to add a new field, click on add new field, and now you can simply select a field to add to your form. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.